Olico. How is this a terabyte? It's so small and cute. Can't wait to start filling it up. Works excellent for my needs, running PUBG and other games on Xbox One X. Excellent read, write times. No more Play-Doh when not dropping, and joining the lobby with at least 40 to 50 seconds average left on the timer, with times even before the timer starts. All building and item are rendered so need to lag around and more. He also used this on Forza and The Witcher 3, lessened the load times. More than Alphonsome games. Asterisk 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 edit 08 27 20 19 The drive is still running strong. He upgraded to a 500 GB from this 250 GB model for my Xbox and now use this on my PC, so he thought he would toss off a screenshot of the speed the drive current J. You can see it is still running strong after a couple years. Durable and small for carrying on to work. Wow, super light and small, a little pricier than most but worth it. It is portable, sturdy and fast. It is not as fast as SSD Thunderbolt 3, but it does its job. Read 530 MB par seconde, write 500 MB par seconde. It's pretty hot while using, but you have to take it when you want speed. Amazing size for carrying it with you anywhere, sturdy building and great quality, just worth every penny. Very small, light and takes up very small space compared to the normal hard drive and SSD drive. Since he work on the field, hopefully its water resistant feature will help protect my file. He will update my review if something happens on the device within the first 6 to 12 months of use. For now it is 5-star form. In short, I needed an SSD to back up my MacBook Pro. In the past, he used a spinning hard drive for backup using super-duper software and the process was painfully slow. Often, for about 500 GB of data, the backup and restore took up to an hour. With an internal SSD on my MacBook Pro, it made perfect sense that the destination backup should also go on an SSD drive where transfer speeds would significantly increase. One more thing to consider, spinning hard drive have a much higher failure rate than SSD drive. I can begin to tell you how many spinning backup drive I have purchased in the past that have ultimately failed. SSD is the future and the fact that prices have dramatically decreased on TZ drive give no one an excuse for not buying them. I did a lot of research on various SSD drive before. My first choice was a Samsung in a colorized metal case. The reviews, however, led me to believe that there were some major issues with the Samsung drive as they included embedded software that was difficult to remove. This is not something anyone wants when buying an SSD drive. Reading the reviews on this SanDisk Extreme, it was easy to see that this would fit perfectly for my needs. The reviews across the board were very positive. No embedded software. This particular SSD has been rated as one of the very fastest USB drive available on the market of this date. Upon arrival, he was astonished at how small this drive actually is. I mean, it is absolutely tiny. You can fit it into your jean pocket and you would not feel it. We really have come a long way in external SSD drive portability. I am not particularly happy with the covering on this drive. It is a dust mania. The second I placed it on my table it had already collected airborne dog hair. However, on the plus side, this thing is so rugged that you can drop it from just about any height and it won't break. So, I guess that is more important than anything else. It was nice to see that the drive includes a USB-C cord with USB-A adapter. The cord also securely fits the drive without any wiggle. The only thing negative I have to say about the cord is that it is too short. I am including in my photos the result of a recent backup of my MacBook Pro via SuperDuper software. You can see that about 425 GB of data was backed up in 30 minutes time. With a spinning drive, that would have taken 2 à 3 times the longe. This drive is really super fast. This drive does come formatted for Windows. If you buy it for your Mac, you need to go to Disk Utility in your application folder, select the SanDisk drive, then click on Erase. You will want to format the drive in OS X Extended Journal. Click link in description for more reviews.